Okay guys, I'm back. And so now I had to get my little paper together, my pen together. So now we got our forks, our spoons, and our knives. So what I want to do is I want to make a chart. We're going to make a T chart, but we're actually going to make a double T chart. It's kind of hard to do this and hold the paper and hold the stuff. This way we have columns. And we're going to write forks. We're going to write spoons. And then we're going to write knives. So if we have one knife, it's spelled like that. If we have more than one, it's spelled like that. Knife is a really, really tricky word. But anyway, here we go. So I want you to guess what you think how many friends I can have. I'm gonna make a big feast. Actually, I might even invite you guys to come to my house. We're gonna have a cookout. We're gonna do something. We're gonna all sit at the table. How many people can we have over if everybody gets a set of silverware? A set would be one fork, one spoon, and one knife. Okay, here we go. You ready to count them? Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Wow, that's a lot of forks. The other thing that I like, the reason I like this activity too, is because as a parent, I don't know what's going on in my house. Sometimes I lose silverware. And if we have 27 forks and 27 spoons and 27 knives, we would have a complete set. But my guess is this is not 27, but let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That little made it in there. 14. Let's come over to our list. And we're going to write 14 spoons. And now we got so many knives we have. And you never want to use the sharp knives. These are called butter knives. They're not sharp. You can not sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 knives. So 12 knives. So the other thing, so that's one way, but maybe you can't count that high, or maybe it's hard to count, you don't know your digits, and you might skip a number. What you can do is every time you move a fork, you make a tally mark. And then when you get to the fifth one, you put a line through it. So if we were going to tally this number 27, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 27. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. So what if we were going to tally 14? What would we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 10, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now for our knives. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So now we have 27 forks, 14 spoons, 12 knives. How many friends could I have over? We could sit at a table and everybody gets one piece of silver, everybody gets one set or one group of silverware. And you might ask me, so What's a set? A set is one of each. 1 fork, 1 spoon, and 1 knife. So now, gotta get this out of the way. So now, how many sets do you think I can make? If I have 27 forks, 14 spoons, and 12 knives, how many sets? How many friends can I have over? Well, let's make groups. 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife. Boom. 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife. 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife. My guess, people are going to fight over this set because they get the guitar spoon. 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife. 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife. 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife. Which one are we going to run out of first when we're building our sets? What are we going to run out of first? Let's keep going. 1 fork, 1 spoon, 1 knife. 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 Now, look at what's left. Actually, it's hard to see here. So let's count our sets of silverware. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 sets of silverware. Why do we have 12 sets? Because that's where we need 1 fork, 1 spoon, and 1 knife. So now we got some stuff left over, right? And we can keep this math going. If you're done, perfect. You know how many sets. You can be like, hey, Mom, we have 12 sets of silverware. Sometimes we got to ask ourselves, though, where'd that other knife go in those other spoons? Are they under your bed? Are they in the garbage? Did somebody lose them? Where did they go? That's my question as a parent. Where are all the other silverwares? But anyway, so now we have 12 sets and we've got some stuff left over. We have 2 spoons left over and we got a whole bunch of knives left over. So we could recount them again, right? We count and see how many we have. Or we could take our math and we could take 27 minus 12 minus 12 minus 12, and that's going to tell us how many we have left. Or we could count them, right? 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. That'd be 0. And that's 0, right? Okay. So if you're an older student, like 3rd, 4th, 5th grade, you could still even keep this math going, and you could say, Mr. Morgan, I want every fork and every spoon to have a knife. I want all sets. I don't want any leftovers like this. So, you know what, Mr. Morgan? I need 15 forks, I need 15 spoons, and I need 15 knives. I need more sets, more groups. So I would need 15 more knives. I would need 13 more spoons because I have 2, so 13, 14.